878 days in New Holland. Fear and greed index is at 24%, which is extreme fear. And Bitcoin is currently trading at the 49k. Still below the downtrend resistance channel. Nothing changed since yesterday. 47 is pretty crucial support for us. And 60k is a pretty crucial resistance for us. And there's also in the middle of it is 53k. And obviously downtrend resistance channel that was created like more than a month ago still is working for us as a resistance for the mid and short term. So yeah, on the 4-hour time frame, MACD is finishing the red phase. RSI is looking neutral. Volume is kind of below the average one. 50-200 is above our trading candle. On a daily time frame, RSI is kind of oversold. MACD is finishing the red phase. Volume is kind of below the average, and we are currently bouncing from 200 MA, but we are still in the middle of it, so it's kind of neutralish in the middle of 1500. I mean, on the weekly time frame, I forgot to add the 21 MA. On a weekly time frame, we are below the 21 MA, but we are above 15200 MA, which is pretty nice. But the 21 MA, which is the midterm, is still looking pretty negative based on that one. MACD on a weekly time frame is currently in the red phase, which is pretty bad. There's no course to the upside. RSI is looking neutral. Volume is kind of average on a weekly time frame. Monthly, nothing, no changes on the monthly time frame. So yeah, it's pretty much all TA for today. Bitcoin is bouncing from 47k support. It's kind of working for us as a nice support, kind of squeezing between the 47 and downtrend resistance channel. Obviously hoping for a breakout out of this downtrend resistance channel because it's taking too long. BTC dominance is kind of floating around the 41%, so nothing special there. Ethereum slightly below the previous all-time high, somewhere at minus 10% compared to the Bitcoin, which is minus 27, which is pretty far away. So yeah, Ethereum is kind of outperforming the BTC. So let's move on to the news. Today we don't have a lot of news except the one that is coming from Microstrategy. That is just recently they bought 1.4k roughly Bitcoins at 57.5k. So yeah, that's pretty much the recent news that is that we got on a Bitcoin. There's some FUD around Evergrande, but we're not gonna talk about that. So hoping for the breakout, 60k breakout and downtrend resistance channel breakout, which is eventually gonna happen. Obviously, Bitcoin is not gonna go to zero because the only way downtrend resistance. If downtrend resistance never gonna be broken, it just simply will go to zero. But eventually it's gonna be broken, maybe in the next couple hours, days. Hoping for a quick breakout and obviously 60k test, which would be pretty nice for us. So yeah, to the moon.